Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. My name is Jeffrey. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you're one of my loyal subscribers, thank you for coming back. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, or is this the first time you've been here, please take a moment to think about hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell so you'll be notified whenever I release new content. Today, I'm going to be doing some St. Louis steaks, which is being brought to you courtesy of Porter Road, the St. Louis steaks. Porter Road is a online butcher company that sells meat that's pasture raised with no added hormones or antibiotics, dry aged, and they come vacuum sealed and frozen to your front door. So I'm proud to be an affiliate with them now, and I'm going to show you some of their product on this video. So let's do it. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna keep this simple today. We're just gonna be using some Heath Rouse honey chipotle rub for the base. Then over the top of that, I'm gonna come with the Caviter's all-purpose Greek seasoning. And we're gonna see how it is from there. So let's check it out. So what we have right here, it comes with 4 to a pack. And what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna trim it. I'm gonna just let it be the way it is and just see what it's like. So we're gonna put this honey chipotle first. Over that with the Greek seasoning. All right, so I got those done. I actually got 4 more to do because I had 2 packs of it, but once you've seen that, you don't really need to see the rest. So I'm going to get those 4. And what I got the Akorn by Char-Griller. Got it between $275, $300, which is what I'm gonna cook these at. And I'm using that good charcoal company, lump charcoal, for the heat source. So I'll check you out at the Akorn when I'm finished. Here we go. We're gonna be using that good charcoal company. Great company. They really do a lot to help the community. If you haven't tried this out, you need to get you some. All right, so as you can see, got the Akorn up to 300 degrees. Gonna go ahead and get these steaks on here. All right, we'll check back on them in about 15 minutes. All right, we've been on here for 15 minutes. Take a look at it. That's looking pretty good. take a look on the other side. Yep, that's good. We're gonna flip these over. We're gonna let these go for about another 15 minutes. We'll check them again. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take a look at them. All right, that's looking good. I like that. Starting to tender up. I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do is crank this up to about 600 and do just to get some good color on it and finish it off. It's taking less time than I thought it would for these to be ready. So I'll bring you back once I crank it up. Okay, so we got the Akorn up to about 600 degrees. I took the deflector plate out so it could be straight over the heat. We're gonna go and get some color on these now. There's no need to close it. It don't take long, just keep it going. That one. That one. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna shut this down and meet you back inside. Alright, so we're finished with the cook. Now it's time to get to the best part, which is when you get to taste what you made. But before we do that, let's go ahead and recap what we did. We took some St. Louis steaks that we got from Porter Road. We put it on the Char-Griller Akorn, threw some good charcoal company lump charcoal in there. We covered the steaks with the Heath Rouse honey chipotle and came over that with the Cavender's Greek seasoning. We put it on there about 300 degrees for 15 minutes, took it off, cranked that temperature up to about 600, removed the deflector plate and went direct heat. Probably took about 2 minutes, 1 minute on each side, took it off, let it rest for about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And we're here right now where we're at, where I'm about to get to enjoy myself. So let's check it out. So here are the 8 pork steaks that I made. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go on and taste this one right here. Just cut me a piece. I'm using my knife I got from Kyoko. It's a very good knife. I'm just gonna cut me a piece of this off. As you can see, looks real good. I don't know if you can see the juice on there or not, but it's still juicy. And should I take this big bite or should I cut it down some? Nah, I ain't gonna keep this enjoyment from me. Let's see what it's like. It's good and tender. I almost don't want to swallow it, but it's disappearing. Man, that's good. That Cavender's grease seasoning, put it over the top. Hey, it's a win-win on this cook. So as always, thank you for joining me today. If you're not subscribed, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can get notified when I drop content. Give a thumbs up, help me get my videos out and seen. For those returning, thank you, appreciate you, and I hope to keep seeing you come back. And well, that's about it right now. But also, if you want anything that I use on my show, check down in the description box for my link tree. Go on there, it'll have all the things that I use and discount codes so you can get some for yourself and try it out. Outside of that, I'm about to eat some more. So peace.